Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this emotional freedom technique routine designed to help you manage and alleviate the emotional distress caused by a narcissist's lies. EFT, also known as tapping, is a powerful tool. It combines elements of cognitive therapy, exposure therapy, and somatic therapy. By tapping on specific meridian points on the body, we can release negative emotions. In this session, we will focus on dealing with the feelings of betrayal, anger, and confusion which arise when dealing with the deceit and manipulation of a narcissist. In this routine, I will be guiding you through the process of acknowledging your emotions, releasing the negative energy associated with them, and reclaiming a sense of peace and strength. Find a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to be present in this moment. As you follow along with the tapping points and the affirmations, be kind and gentle with yourself. This is your time to heal, your time to come back to calm. Begin by tapping on the karate chop point on the side of the hand. As you tap, repeat the affirmations after me. Even though I feel deeply triggered by the narcissist's lies, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though these lies have caused me confusion and pain, I honor my feelings and choose to feel peace. Even though the narcissist's manipulation is affecting me, I choose to release these emotions and regain my sense of calm. Eyebrow point, you can do both or one. These lies have shaken me. Side of the eye. I feel betrayed and hurt. Under the eye. It's hard to trust anyone right now. Under the nose. I feel so confused by their manipulation. Tap the point on the chin. Their lies make me doubt myself. Tap the points on the collarbone. I feel so angry and frustrated. Tap the point under the arm. I hate that they have gotten to me. Top of the head. But I am strong and will not let their lies control me. Eyebrow point. I acknowledge my feelings. Side of the eyes. I am aware of their manipulation. I choose to release this hurt. I choose to let go of this anger. Under the chin. I choose to reclaim my peace. I am taking back my power. I am worthy of truth and respect. I am strong and resilient. I trust myself. I believe in my own truth. I let go of their lies. I embrace my inner strength. I am free from their manipulation. I choose peace and clarity. I am in control of my emotions. I am calm, centered, and at peace. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Put your hands on your heart and tell yourself that you honor your feelings, your strength, and your journey towards healing. And you are safe and at peace. Repeat the script as needed, focusing on the emotions that arise and tapping through the points. Over time, this technique will allow the negative charge associated with the impact of a narcissist's lies to decrease and diminish completely. It will help you to build resilience and come to a place of calm. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who may benefit, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more content on personal development and healing. See you next time. Take care. Unstoppable.